and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. So for today's video, I'm gonna tell you how you can make your own soft box or box light, whatever you call it. A box light literally enhances the quality of a video like drastically, and I'll show you how. अभी जो वीडियो मैं शूट कर रही हूँ वो लाइट से कर रही हूँ, एंड मैं आपको विदाउट लाइट भी अभी दिखाती हूँ कि कैसा जो भी है दिखेगा. सो आपको डिफरेंस पता लग जाएगा. एंड बॉक्स लाइट यूट्यूबर्स के लिए, टिकटॉक तो बैन हो गया है, यूट्यूबर्स के लिए, फोटोग्राफर्स के लिए जो है बहुत हेल्पफुल होता है. एंड यूजुअली ये 2000 से या 1000-2000 से तो ऊपर ही मिलता है, बहुत महंगा होता है. तो मैं भी अभी जो है इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहती थी और मुझे पता था कि मैं खुद बना लूँगी. सो मैंने खुद के लिए भी बनाया है एंड आप लोग के लिए एक ट्यूटोरियल भी है कि आप कैसे बना सकते हो. पहले मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ कि विद लाइट एंड विदाउट लाइट जो भी है कैसा लगता है. सो अभी जो है दिस इज़ विद लाइट एंड दिस इज़ विदाउट लाइट, एंड आप लोग को खुद ही दिख रहा होगा कि कितना ड्रास्टिक चेंज आ जाता है वीडियो क्वालिटी में. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Material required for this tutorial is cardboard, black chart paper, butter paper, foil paper, brown duct tape, cello tape, double-sided tape, a bulb holder, a cutter or scissor, and a Fevicol. Firstly, cut the cardboard in a trapezium shape of the dimensions given on the screen. We will be needing 4 of such cardboard sheets. In the next step, we have to cover the cardboard with foil paper. We have to cover only one side of cardboard. I'm gonna cover it with double-sided tape. You can also use Fevicol. So I'll just quickly stick the double-sided tape on all the 4 sides. Talking about the prices, the cardboard sheet and the foil paper will not cost you more than 50 rupees each, which means 100 rupees for both the things. Now take a big piece of foil paper and just stick on it. Don't worry if the foil paper crumbles because this will be the inner side and will not be visible. Now with the help of a scissor, cut the extra foil paper. And I'm really sorry for the low light because the foil paper is catching all the light. Now cover the other 3 sheets as well. Now it's time to make the main structure, for which we have to stick all the 4 cardboard sheets together. Now flip the cardboard and stick half the tape as I am doing. And then flip the cardboard again and take the second piece and stick it over the other half of the tape. Don't stick the 2 cardboards really tight. I mean, it should be easily foldable. Now I am just sticking the other layer of tape to make the whole thing sturdy. Now stick the 3rd piece of cardboard the same way we did earlier. And then just again I am sticking another layer to make it more sturdy. And then to stick the last piece of cardboard, you have to stick the tape on both the sides as I am doing. Then just flip the 3 cardboards and bring them in shape, like hold them in shape. You will definitely need some other person to hold it for you so that you can stick the 4th piece. And half of your main structure is ready. Now we will make the bottom part of the light, for which take a bigger piece of cardboard and put it below the whole structure and mark the square. It should be like 16 by 16 according to our previous dimensions. And then just cut the shape out. Now this is the part where we have to attach our bulb holder. So I'm just quickly gonna take my bulb holder and mark the circle in the center of this cardboard sheet. And I'm gonna quickly cut out the circle. Now apply some Fevicol or double-sided tape. And then take a big piece of foil paper and stick on it. And then just cut off the excess. Now flip the box and keep the square piece on top of it and stick it with tape. Now cut a piece of black chart paper of the same size and shape of as we have cut the square and stick it with Fevicol or double-sided tape. This step is completely optional and is only for decoration purpose. Right now I'm just sticking the chart paper on this side of the box only because after putting the bulb it will be very difficult to stick the chart paper. Now it's time to attach the bulb holder. Now let me tell you one thing, that a bulb holder has two parts, a main body and then a cap. You just have to remove the cap, insert the holder from one side and then close it with the cap from the other side. It's that simple. I didn't knew this while making this video, that is why I have stuck it with cello tape. Now flip the box and fix the bulb in the bulb holder. It costed me Rs 125 for a bulb holder and the wire. Now cut a sheet of butter paper of the dimensions mentioned on the screen. A big sheet of butter paper will only cost you Rs 10. Stick the piece of this butter paper on the top of the box to close it. Do not use any other paper because then it will not reflect the light. Now cut out 4 sheets of chart paper of the same size of as you have cut the trapeziums, and then just stick them on the box. This step is completely optional, you can skip it, but I just wanted my light to look beautiful, so I did. And your box light is ready. So guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you all liked it. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you want next, and bye bye. Bye bye. सब कुछ टूट रहा है मेरी लाइफ में, but it's okay. Bye bye.